It's in the personal statement and the contributions to science where you really get to play around a little bit with how you describe things and use those sections really to your advantage. In the personal statement, that is really your opportunity to introduce yourself as a scientist and why you are in the role that you are in on this team. You want to make sure that you are making it very clear to your reviewers who you are on this team and what it is that you're going to be doing. And then you have the opportunity to explain in that personal statement why you're the right person to be doing that, right? And that's where your expertise and your experience comes in. That's where you describe your previous grant funding and some of the key papers that are relevant to your role on the team, right? And again, you want to make sure that you have good context for those elements of the personal statement, right? So your grants and publications, why are you including these particular ones? And how is that relevant to the project that you are proposing?